What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We are actually finally here at the Drift Games HQ. Last night was cool, staying in that castle and whatnot, but yeah, we finally made it here to the Drift Games HQ. They're in there, but I can't get in. Stephanie's already in there. Nah, we're good. So the boys are in a meeting, so Craig is going to take us around quickly while the boys are busy. But here's even some cool shit. Well, that's seen better days. Oh, head gasket. That doesn't look like it's meant to be like that.
Get out of my house.
Yeah, no, this is your room.
Yeah. My dungeon has the last one.
Yeah. So this is where all the merch gets done. And it's cool. And look at that, we walk in and Craig's watching our video. What a lad.
What a lad.
But yeah.
It's just on repeat.
Yeah.
All the views you get.
Just to make it look good. Oh, employees only. Sure. But yeah, this is cool. It's yeah, all the behind the scenes of what they've got coming and all of that. So it's so good.
So these are all the random bonnets up here.
Oh yeah.
Do not pan up to the voice above it, because he's
all the stuff that got burnt. That's still in good nick.
Yeah, you can tell that.
Oh look, medium babe, it's yours.
Thanks.
There you go.
Here's the Lambo wheel behind you.
Oh,
That one got a bit melted, alright.
that's seen better days.
Yeah.
Shit, that lasted all of about what, 2 weeks?
A day, I think. I don't know.
Oh yeah,
got finished
no,
for-
it
Got
got
finished for Dubshed, and then they came back from Dubshed and
packed it up at the.
put it into the building, and that night burnt down. So I'd say it was around for about a day, yeah. So this is like the reminder of the old place
Yes.
and where you have been before you step into here.
Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, we definitely want to get one of these. Definitely want to get one of these.
It is actually set to win every time, but it's still very impossible.
Still, you still
People are like,
suck.
oh, we can't get anything. And I was like, it's set to easy.
Yeah, because you can set them, right?
Yeah. So it's not the easiest things to get now.
I see.
It's
Still,
set to win every time.
still a loser.
That's so fun that I spent hours on.
That's crazy.
It's funny because it's all stuff that like we haven't touched.
Yeah. Still suck. Bit of Street Fighter.
It's an odd place to film in because how bright this is versus like how dark.
Yeah, but it's
Your camera's just
yeah, like oh. Wow. That's cool as well. Look, she's gonna be there all day.
I'm sure she'll get some.
Yeah, but she's still. Do you know what? I'm just gonna walk in there and grab something.
Keys are on top if you want to win.
Yeah.
You haven't seen this yet either.
No, we haven't.
Stupid, yeah.
It's stupid. We love you, Josh, but yeah, it's tiny.
It's tiny, alright. Wait till you see this.
Yeah.
You cannot close the door if I'm in this.
Nice. Oh my god. What a laugh.
It's his first trophy that he got though.
Yeah.
He's never had a motorsports related trophy.
Well,
And it took.
okay, hold up. So, going back to yesterday's video, I wonder why he has never finished an event.
Oh no, his cars are usually very reliable. So
This is his most reliable
this
car.
and it still probably doesn't start.
Oh my lord.
We made this so it doesn't have much turn on it, so you can't move it and break it.
Yes, yeah, well hey, yeah. You can't break it if you don't use it.
Here's my mirrors that I 3D printed.
Oh yes. Yeah. Oh.
Don't get too close on them.
Yeah. Claim the fame there, big 3D printer guy. Holy.
It's a bit messy now.
Who cares?
Stuff has been dumped in from
Yeah.
Driftmaster.
We don't mind. Fuck, it's so cool. Yeah.
Yeah, NSX that someone has won.
Yeah. Well, if they're not going to pick it up, I mean,
Oh, we want people.
we need a rental car. Yeah, that's cool. You guys have done bloody well.
Dave's Mustang, big SP2 setup behind.
Yeah, look at that.
That's got absolutely fleeced for Driftmasters.
Yeah. SP tool.
There ain't a lot of tools.
Yeah. It'll be, bits missing. Ah, it's alright. That's sick.
There's the big boys in.
Yeah.
Full motion. That's when you drift as well, it kicks out sideways and whatnot.
Oh my god. No shit.
Yeah.
Oh well, we'll have to.
Very expensive.
Yeah. We'll have to have a play on that.
3 drift cars by the time you haul that.
Yeah. State of that.
Please contact his guardian.
As Guardian. Craig, is that your number?
That's definitely not.
Are you Guardian?
I'll go straight to Dave.
That's cool. I like the whole shop front. That's cool.
Because why not have cars upstairs?
Yeah.
We learned the lesson after the last time.
Yeah, let's trap them. Let's trap them.
The last time. Now we have to forklift them up.
Yeah.
So here's our drift NASCAR.
Yeah, that worked well.
Wasn't great.
That worked well.
So then you bought another NASCAR.
Yeah. What's better than one that doesn't work? 2!
2. Yeah, one on top of the other.
Yeah, that's clever. Oh look! They got that. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, we go to the place and play the game. Yeah, we need a couch like that.
Podcast studio.
Yeah,
I love this.
yeah, the extra bits. So we got these two
All this hard work.
doing all the hard work. I'm just here making it on.
This is just
Do it,
filming.
yeah. Yeah, put a camera in the hand. Oh, sorry, man.
Yeah, much like the seats the other day.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. Hey, you guys got it done. You just needed some help.
Leave the professionals on it, huh?
Yeah, that's right. And a couple of people are getting stickers in their orders just because. Why not? All right, so skip forward a bit. Ended up doing a podcast with Dave and Josh and shooting the shit for a bit. But obviously the boys are super busy today because they're getting ready for the World Tour this weekend and all the events they have. They got 3 events they're part of in the next over the Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So yeah, it's wild. So I've come out here to Wayne's. Steph's at our another castle accommodation, and I come out to Wayne's, see what the boys are doing with the low brain car because I knew that Josh was meant to be out here helping these guys, but I don't know where Josh is. The boys have got the engine in. And we just put the exhaust on and doing the final little bits, really. Doing the steering column. V8s are annoying. And yeah, it's things are happening. It's all good. LZ's car's here, gonna get some, or has got some love by the looks. New rear bumper. Or the boys have fixed it up or something. But yeah, Wayne, where's Josh?
Home bed.
He's a pussy.
For our living.
Yeah.
Feeling a little bit ill, so yes.
A little bit ill, you reckon?
Yeah, a little bit ill. Under the
No,
weather.
he's just sick of blowing engines up. So, but we got on this
What
one.
you have to do afterwards.
Yeah. I said today, you're used to blowing engines up. He said, I blew this one up weeks ago. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then you blew another one up yesterday.
Yeah, he's good at that.
We'll see how it goes this weekend and next time.
Yeah, the big block. Big block SR. Well, he's driving Wayne's car. You guys would already know that. But yeah, this car's coming along. What's next? Well,
We're going to just come back with fittings now.
is he going to start it now tomorrow morning? Hopefully.
If we go on the dyno, I think Wednesday's one dyno.
Yeah, dyno on Wednesday. So yeah, today's Monday. It's about 10 o'clock, maybe 10:30. And yeah, these boys are going hard because really they have to. They don't really have a choice. And then Josh is driving Wayne's car. Good little SR. Yeah, sick car. I should have already put my dibs in for this car. This place is cool though. These guys are going as hard as they can, you know, like, look at them. That's pretty cool. Got all their SP tools set up and making it work. Okay, it's the next morning, yeah, another night, another castle, like I said earlier, but it's funny because this place, if you guys remember from our first trip to Ireland, there was a cannonball run, yeah, with all the supercars and stuff. It was actually at this hotel when we pulled in last night. We kind of figured it out. So Steph did anyway. Yeah, castle over the back, cool place, but we're on a mission. We're heading to some outlet stores just for a look around before we head to the airport and head to the UK. So yeah, let's see if we find anything at the shops. Alright, another day, another country. We've landed here in London at Heathrow. Just got our little Ford Puma. Shout out to the boys at Europe car. They were having a good laugh. They like drifting and all of that, so it was cool. Now we're heading to Grandma's, so we're gonna bang that in the GPS and yeah, see where we go from here. It's like 2-hour drive, bit of a manual, and Steph's gonna drive. It's like a little bit more expensive to have a second driver, but I don't know, if she wants to go somewhere from the track or whatever, makes it easy. So yeah, we had one of these when we went to America, so that's all good. Look at the planes lined up, one there, one there, one there, and they're just stacked up. You can see all the lights. There's like 3 or 4 in a line all day, every day. Here it comes.
Reading the paper.
Bit of an update actually. We have been at Grandma's for the last couple of days, hanging out with her, and now we have left Leamington and have got down to, or have headed up to close to the track, and right now we're at the Farmer's Dog, which is from Clarkson's Farm, Jeremy Clarkson's pub, and this is the car park. It's packed. So we actually have a booking. You have to book to get into the restaurant. So we have one of those, which is good. But yeah, it's crazy how many people are here. So we just had lunch at the Farmer's Dog, which is obviously Jeremy Clarkson's pub. It was lovely. Did you enjoy it?
Yep.
What did you have?
Sausages. What did you have?
A steak pie. No, it was actually really nice. We had a look around the shop and stuff as well that they've got going on, and I think it's really cool of what they've done and how they're doing it. You know, they didn't even have pepper because they can't farm pepper, but they have salt. They don't have ketchup because they can't make it.
So they make like a chutney.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, but no, it was really nice. The menu is really good, I feel, and like it was a good hearty feed. Like it wasn't made of stuff that I don't like. So no, everything was good. I got some strawberry cow juice, so that's all good. And then we got they make their own chips as well. So some lightly salted chips, which should be cool. But yeah, we're going to head to the track now. Yeah, that's going to be us for this video. We spent a nice couple of days with Grandma, and now it's time to kind of do what we came to do at Castle Combe for the Aussie World Tour, which should be fun. And you guys will see in the next video what I'm driving, and yeah, the people that are going to be here and all of that. So yeah, thanks heaps for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed our trip so far. And again, please head to our website, grab some merch and stuff. Keeps us going, and it really helps us out. So yeah, head to thechoicefiles.com, and yeah, you guys can grab whatever and help us out. Anything else you want to say? No? Love to Grandma.
Yeah, she's not very well.
Yeah, love to Grandma, and yeah. Alright guys, thanks heaps. We'll see you guys all in the next one. Cheers.